Hi everybody, Denitza Rave here with Homeschooling Mama. I just wanted to show you my second video of my homeschool haul, my supply haul. And it's pretty good. You know, when you're on one income, you have to definitely take advantage of the deals, and that I did. These right here, these notebooks, I purchased a total of 64 of these. I purchased college ruled and the wide ruled. You know, us homeschoolers, we go through paper so fast. So I got 64 of these. I purchased them at Target when they were on sale for 25 cents each. So each of these were 25 cents, which isn't too bad. You get 70 sheets for the college rule, and you get the same amount for the wide rule. See there? And then I also purchased composition books because I plan on doing a lot of journaling this year. For my little one, I plan on doing like number books and alphabet books. So I purchased several of these. I believe I purchased 34, and these were only 50 cents each. So that's great. That's obviously even cheaper than the dollar store or the 99-cent store. So I purchased those. This was from Target here. And then I also purchased these in multiple colors. They're the Target brand. They're 2-pocket folio with prongs. And these ones, they were, I believe, 50 cents each. So this will be perfect when we do whatever projects we're doing. We can put them in here. Whatever writing that I want to save, we can put it in here. I purchased red, orange, and purple. So each of my children picked their colors, and that's what they picked. And again, these were, I believe, 50 cents as well. And then let's go over to these little pencil boxes here. This one says Sparkle, and it's purple. This one says Little Things, and it's blue. And this one says My Stuff, and it's green. Aren't these cute? I purchased these from the Dollar Tree, actually, and I was very surprised to find these because I was searching around Target and I couldn't find anything that we liked, and I looked at Walmart, couldn't find anything that we liked. So not too bad, $1 each. That's pretty good. And then also at the Dollar Tree, I came across these, and I've been wanting to get these for some time, and now that it's the new school year, I was able to. So I purchased 4 of these book bins. I have 2 purple, 2 pink. That's all they actually had, and they were, of course, $1 each because they were at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to actually go back and get more because those will be good for all of our composition books, our notebooks, and whatever else we need these for, maybe our morning reading. And then I've already showed you these 2 prong pocket portfolios. And let's see here. This I got from Target in their dollar bin for my TKer. So she can trace her ABCs. And then on the back, look she can trace her numbers 1 through 20. So I figure that's an excellent deal. ABCs and numbers for $1. You can't go wrong with that. And it's dry erase, so that's perfect. And then I also purchased this from the Target dollar spot, Trace Your Shapes. So she can trace them with the markers, and then, because it's dry erase as well, and then perhaps with Play-Doh, even though we have Play-Doh mats, I still may use this. And then on the back, it's just plain. So it's just a plain whiteboard in the back. These we also got at Target in the dollar spot. Aren't these adorable? They're little pointers. So I purchased an apple one for me. And my TKer wanted the cute little rainbow one because she's really into rainbows and unicorns this year. And for my 3rd grader, she wanted the star. So the star pointer. And let's see, and I also purchased these at the dollar spot again at Target. In my first haul, you know that I purchased several of these as well. Some were ice cream shapes, and then some were pizza shapes and unicorns, but I found apples, so these are perfect. We'll use these for whatever, bingo, counting, counters, colors, what have you. The possibilities are limitless if you use your imagination. And then this I also found at the dollar spot at Target, and they're vowels. So it shows the vowel, short sound, long sound. So A, short sound, apple, long sound, rainbow. So the A says its name for the long sound. And then it has it for A, E, I, O, and U. And these were only $1. So this will be perfect when we get into our language arts. And then this I found, which is really cute, bulletin board borders. I also got these from the Target dollar spot. And I don't really have a bulletin board, but I have a whiteboard. And I'm also going to purchase probably a chalkboard. So I'll just decorate in our homeschool room our whiteboard with this. I thought that was a good idea. And let's see here. And these I purchased. These are little crayon holders. They hold, I believe, 24 crayons. And I purchased 2 of these at Walmart. Each one was 50 cents. So I have one for my TKer and one for my 3rd grader. My oldest daughter, she doesn't need that. Let's see. And then for my oldest daughter, who's now going into 8th grade, I purchased a protractor for, I believe, 25 cents at Walmart. And then a compass with a pencil for 25 cents at Walmart as well. So that was a really good deal. And then I found, I'm jumping around, I know. I found more cool things at the dollar spot. I found addition flashcards, and you pull the tab to reveal the answer. So this will be for my 3rd grader. And then we have the same thing here from the Target dollar spot, and you pull the tab to reveal the answer. It's subtraction. And money. This one, actually, I will use with my 3rd grader and my little one, my TKer, because I've already been teaching her money when we do our morning calendar. That's one of the things we do. We do our money songs. And these I purchased at the Dollar Tree. 200 index cards. They're 3.5 inches, which is perfect because I use these for other types of flashcards, and with their language arts, they're going to have like memory verses that they're going to have to memorize, and also vocab words. And then here I purchased at the Dollar Tree as well 100 count colored index cards, which I thought were really pretty. And then at the Dollar Tree for $1, I also purchased a 10-pack of pencil grips, or for pens. I love these things. They work great. And they also had the most adorable folders at the Dollar Tree this year, of course, for $1 for their back to school and their everyday price. Look at how cute that is. Little ice creams and pizza folder. And then here's another one. It has, it's upside down. It has like eyes with eyelashes and diamonds and hearts and clouds and polka dots. My oldest daughter loved this. And then look at how cute these elephants. And these are all 1-inch binders. And then this pretty little flower one. And then I also purchased these plain white ones, binders. And these will be for like our calendar time and such. And I purchased 4 of those. So 1 second while I move that. And then what I also found at the Dollar Tree, and I was really like excited about, these drawing pads because we're using the Good and the Beautiful for language arts this year. And there's a lot of artwork for my daughter's 8th grade work. So I found this drawing pad, and you can use it for pastels that she's going to be using for a dollar each one. I thought that was great because if you look on Amazon, they're a heck of a lot more than $1. And these, we're gonna jump back over to Target again. They had these 2-pocket paper portfolios for 15 cents. I just grabbed them. I don't know what I'll use them for, but I'm sure I'll think of something. So I purchased yellow, purchased red, I purchased pretty pink, purple, and also a few black ones. And for our file folder games that I do with my 2 younger ones from the Dollar Tree, back to the Dollar Tree, I purchased these, an 8-pack of file folders for $1. So that is my second update for my homeschool haul. So I feel that I did actually really good this year with all of the deals. So that's everything. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Any comments, feel free to comment below. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thumbs up. And also you can follow me on Facebook at Homeschooling Mama Denitza Rave. And don't forget to hit the bell below so you can get notification whenever I either go live or upload another video. So I hope you have a great night. Now it's time for me to put all of this away, and I will be making a new video soon. Bye.